Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build a Toyota Supra easy method. Begin by selecting a solid donor car and laying out a parts list for engine, transmission, suspension, and brakes. Next, clear a workspace and organize tools so each step flows logically. Focus on one system at a time, document progress with photos, and keep safety gear handy. This approach reduces mistakes and helps you finish efficiently and confidently. For the engine and drivetrain, remove the motor carefully and label all connections to speed reassembly. Rebuild or swap based on budget and goals, and install a matching transmission like a 6-speed for best control. Upgrade cooling, fuel delivery, and the ECU before increasing power to avoid failures. Test run the engine on stands where possible, then inspect for leaks and play in mounts before reinstalling into the chassis. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear build tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with music and voice commands, perfect for hands-free timing or calling up instructions while you wrench. It's small, affordable, and fits in any garage setup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When assembling the chassis, begin with suspension and brakes to establish safe handling and stopping power. Install adjustable coilovers, refresh bushings, and upgrade brake lines and pads for consistent performance. Align the steering geometry once tires and wheels are fitted to ensure proper wear. Reinstall body panels and interior after mechanical systems are validated, keeping fasteners torqued to spec and documenting each step for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.